guys, Mr. Aircraft here. Today, I got something special for you guys. So I was screwing through Walmart today, and I just found this really big thing, and you'll see it in a sec. I found this awesome chuck glider, and it only costs like 10 bucks, and these were a little bit hard to find. But they fly really good. They fly as if they're attached to a drone or something. 3, 2, 1, glide. Yeah, I think the wind's sort of pushing it down. And I'm gonna try flying it again. Oh wait, oh yeah. I still have this on upside down. It said that the plane will do loops if the sideways stabilizer is upside down. Okay, put it back right side up. Here goes nothing. Oh no, not the rocks. Yeah, this is made out of styrofoam, so it could break if it runs into rocks. But it happened before, and I just replaced the nose with some paper, and it worked. Oh, and one time I tried to throw it backwards, and it broke, but I replaced it with some super glue and some tape. I was able to put it back on. So, on the back of the sticker pad, it said that, wait, I think I already mentioned that. So let's try to do a loop. We'll turn this around, and let's see what happens. See if it does a loop. Yeah, I don't think I gave it a hard enough chuck. And it's hard to chuck something when you're holding a phone at the same time. And I'm filming off of my phone. Okay, guys, wait there for a second. Okay, you guys are on the wing of it. Okay, hold up. Oh, shoot. Okay, hopefully I don't drop you guys. But you guys were on the wing of my plane. Let's try again. Whoa. Oh, shoot. Yeah, try not to run the nose into too many things. And if there's too much wind, the plane will do a very crooked loop-de-loop. But when there's wind, you can just chuck it like it's made to be. It's made to be chucked. And it has a mark here that says right, like for the right wing. Then there's one on the left wing, right here. So, let's chuck it again. Oh, run into a rock there. Alright, let's fly again. Oh, sort of need to slide that in there. Yeah. If any of the pieces fall off, they can just slide right back in. Here goes nothing. Oh, that was a good landing. But if you take it to like a big field or something, that's where this thing will really shine. I took it to my school down the street, and it has a huge field over there. And me and my family went out to go fly it, and it flew great. Whoa, look at that. Yep. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. And I'll make sure to put another review on this thing and take it to the bigger field somewhere out there. Alright, bye guys.